What's going on, guys? Slothy here with another video. I'm kind of doing more of a different video today. I'm gonna doing one more of a sporadic video. I saw on YouTube a video of some guy who made a kind of a healthy recipe for Sour Patch Kids, and it's using grapes and limes. And I'm like, you know what? I want to try that. I want to try that right now. And I just thought I'm just gonna get up and start doing it. So I'm gonna go to the store and pick up some the things I need: grapes and limes. That's all you need. And I hear even if you freeze them, they taste like warheads. So yeah, let's see if this is true, and let's go check it out. Let's go. So then I grab my trusted steed Mika and my longboard and head off to the store. After grabbing the good from Nature Zone, we head back home to start cooking the recipe. Okay, as you can see, I've changed because just on that short trip I sweated profusely through my clothing and I needed to change. So, get your stuff set up. The bowl will be for the lime juice. The plate will be for your grapes afterwards. Cutting board, obviously, to cut your grapes. So, I got my limes here. I got my green grapes. That's the kind of grapes he used in the video. Oh, and let me wash my hands. I just touched my nose and now everyone's gonna say something. I'm gonna go wash my hands and then not touch my face. There we go. We're gonna get the drip dry. All right. So what we're pretty much gonna do first is cut these limes up and juice them for all they're worth. Let's go ahead and cut them in half. Whew. I love the smell of some good lime. And I just thought this recipe was interesting because, I mean, I'm always looking for a healthy substitute for candy. You know, I have a sweet tooth. We all know this from my candy videos that I like to make. But what if I could make a healthy substitute and also probably vegan compared to a lot of the candies that I eat? I never used to know that Jell-O and stuff like that was not vegan. You know, you grow up not knowing and you find out that Jell-O is horse, like bones and stuff, cow bones. Weird. Life is weird. Okay. I might speed this along for you guys. Okay, that's enough lime juice for now. That's gonna make it plenty good. And then what you want to do next is to split open or cut in half your green grapes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some of that with my green grapes. All right, here I have selected some grapes. I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting them in half. And I think you want to cut them in half to make sure that all the juices really soak into the grape nicely. Really give it that sour kick. And I wonder how the sweet will react with the sour. I wonder if it'll be like really sour first and then sweet, or maybe sweet and then sour. You know, I don't, so I'm trying. And that's enough grapes for now. So we put all that to the side. And then we just kind of give them a little bath. Let them soak up some of that lime juice, and then literally throw it onto the plate. I'm just gonna do that with all these half grapes right here. Juice. And also, like I said before, we're going to try some of these whenever they're not frozen, and they're supposed to taste like Sour Patch Kids. And I saw in the video that I saw, he said whenever they froze them, they tasted like warheads. I'm even more excited about the warhead part of it. He said it was just as sour, just as everything, so let's see if that's true. Right now, I mean, they should, just like this, should taste like Sour Patch Kids. So let's just do this as the control. Guys, I mean, it's not exactly, but the texture is actually very close. It feels like it has that kind of like fiberish chewiness. Maybe if I get a little bit, maybe let's soak these a little bit longer actually. But these not frozen, yeah, they kind of have, oh, sorry, my cat knocked over the camera. Okay, I'm back. So, no, these actually, have like a sour candy like thing to them. So I'm quite impressed. This is quite cool. This might be a good substitute for someone with a sweet tooth like me. But the real test is to see if they taste like warheads when they're frozen. I'm gonna give these a little bit more of a soak, put them in the freezer, wait, come back, and I will share the rest with the results with you guys. All right, guys, I've waited a few hours and the grapes are frozen. Okay, looking good. But now the true test will be the taste test. And let's see if this guy was actually right and see if they actually taste like warheads when they are frozen. Maybe the lime juice gets a little bit more soaked in there. Let's see. I will say it is sour, but I don't know. I think with the lime juice that's freshly on them and just like not frozen, it's a little bit more sour that way. But this is a whole different thing in itself. It's a good little frozen treat. Now, I will say it's not exactly like the Sour Patch Kids. No, it's not, obviously. But hey, it's a little something to maybe trick your mind in, something to ease your way into cutting your bad sugar habits like I might need to do. So yeah, this turned out pretty cool. I'm excited I got to share this with you guys, and this was fun. I had a lot of fun doing this. So if you liked what I did, go ahead and leave a like. Comment something, a cool other healthy kind of choice food that you might want to see me try out so you guys don't have to, and see if they're actually worth doing. So until next time, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.